5 cold start mistakes that could wreck your car engine. Welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing 5 cold start mistakes. Think cold starts are harmless? Think again. These common mistakes could lead to serious engine damage, costing you big bucks down the road. Let's break it down. Here are 5 cold start mistakes you need to stop making today. When you rev your engine during a cold start, you force cold, thick oil to move too quickly through the system. Metal parts rub together without proper lubrication, leading to long-term engine damage and increased wear. Plus, it doesn't warm up your car faster, it just stresses the engine. You don't need to idle for 10 minutes like the old days, but immediately driving off isn't great either. Modern engines require at least 30 seconds to allow oil to circulate and reach all engine components. In colder weather, the oil thickens and takes longer to do its job.
Yeah, I used to just start and go, but now I know better. A short warm-up ensures smoother operation and better fuel efficiency.
Those blinking lights on your dashboard are more than just decorative. Cold starts can trigger warnings for low battery voltage, oil pressure issues, or malfunctioning sensors. Ignoring these signals could turn minor issues into major repairs. Never ignore warning lights. Check them before hitting the road. The wrong oil in cold weather thickens and won't flow smoothly through your engine, causing unnecessary friction. Winter-grade oils like 5W30 or 0W20 are formulated to flow better in cold conditions. Check your car manual for the recommended oil type for winter months. Bonus tip: consider synthetic oils. They perform better in extreme temperatures. Leaving your defroster, heater, headlights, or radio on during startup puts an unnecessary load on your battery. Cold weather already strains your car's electrical system. Start with everything off, then turn on accessories once the engine is running. Think letting your car idle for 10 or 15 minutes warms it up better? Think again. Extended idling wastes fuel and can cause carbon buildup in the engine. After a short warm-up, driving gently is the best way to get your car to operating temperature. By avoiding these cold start mistakes, you'll keep your engine running smoother, save on repairs, and extend your car's life. Use the right engine oil switch to a winter-grade oil, such as 5W30 or synthetic blends. Allow brief idle time. Let the car idle for about 30 seconds before driving. Drive gently. Avoid hard acceleration for the first few miles. Hit that like button, subscribe for more car tips, and we'll see you in the next video. Drive smarter, not harder.